AI creating amazing images, music, text. How does it actually work? Is it thinking like we do? It's a different kind of process. Meet the generative AI model. Think of it like a super fast mix match artist with a giant digital scrapbook. First, it studies millions of examples, say pictures of cats, dogs, space, and art styles. It doesn't just look, it breaks them down into tiny ingredient pieces, like pointy ear shape, furry texture, starry background bit, swirly Van Gogh brushstroke. It remembers all these tiny pieces and how they fit together. Then you ask for a cat in space, Van Gogh style. The artist instantly grabs the right cat pieces, space pieces, and Van Gogh style pieces, and cleverly mixes and matches them, fitting them together to create a totally new picture based on your request. It's pattern matching and remixing at lightning speed. This is the brief intro on how AI creatives happen. Hope it's helpful. Comment any questions and subscribe for more simple AI explanations.